Welcome. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to find emails with spreadsheet attachments in your Gmail app. If you've ever struggled to locate that one file buried in your inbox, don't worry. This method will help you filter out exactly what you're looking for in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail app on your phone or tablet. You'll see your inbox and the usual menu options. At the top, you'll find the search field, usually showing a magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and tap on that search field. This is where the magic starts. Once you tap the search bar, you'll notice a few helpful search filters appear just beneath it. Look for the filter labeled Attachment and tap on it. Selecting this filter will tell Gmail that you only want to see emails that contain any kind of attached file. But we're not stopping there. Since we're looking for emails specifically with spreadsheet files attached, the next step is to narrow things down even more. After tapping on Attachment, check for the filter that says Sheets. If it doesn't show up immediately, try scrolling through the filter options or tapping on More filters if it's available. Once you find the Sheets filter, tap on it. Great job! Now Gmail will display only those emails that contain attached spreadsheets, usually Google Sheets or Excel files. You can scroll through the list to find the email and the document you need. That's it. Just to recap, open your Gmail app, tap the search field, select Attachment, then choose Sheets. In seconds, all emails with spreadsheet attachments are sorted out for you. No more endless searching through your inbox. Just a quick and easy way to find exactly what you need. Give it a try and see how much time you can save. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching.